The battery's almost dead, so hurry up.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go!
I'm enough. He's soaked. Yeah. Daddy! Now we have to put him for a bath. Jojo, are you all wet? Joseph.
Say cheese!
Cheese.
Cheese!
So loud, Mike.
You're so ugly.
Stop. Why do you have to ruin all the home videos? You really do.